Everything will go well, man. What you preach, fool. Practice what you preach. You should, man. I mean, I'm gonna have to figure something out because I'll just have to figure something out. All right, so gold is being definitely annoying right now. It doesn't know what to do. It does not know what to do right now. It looks like it wants to grind past this high, but these sell orders here, I mean, there's sell orders there, but man, are they not doing nada? There it goes. Man. My God, dude. All right, man. Fine. 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 All right. Mm, mm. Hey, yo, what's up, Santiago? Gold has definitely been on one today. I mean, if this thing breaks out here and we don't see a drop, man, that would suck. That would just super suck. Dang, seems like every bear right now is just hoping for the market just to short. Uh, man, I took this short thinking that this is a double top. The bears would protect the high and shit, but no, this thing is just slowly grinding up. Man, and I'm just kind of frustrated about this position because uh I missed a long opportunity, so I was looking for the short, and this thing just keeps going up, and it's just frustrating because it didn't pull back far enough to hit my limit so I can get in long. And so I said, okay, well, fine, then I'll try to go for the short. I mean, this is a decent area. I saw the double top or potential double top, potential area. I mean, I'm just looking for a drop. I mean, that's it. Nothing to. I'm not looking for a reversal or nothing. It's a drop. But I think gold ain't trying to do all that.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here live
What's up, ladies?
after hours, after hours trading.
What's up, ladies?
What's what's up, all my ladies? Does it still sound good, decent, or?
Yeah, it does, and I'm kind of jealous because how the hell did you get it that way?
I told you, I just moved the mic closer. That's it. Oh shoot, that's too funny.
Finally, gold. Oh my god, gold. Just drop. Shit, gold pissing me off tonight. Santiago said. So how's your trading? You said that you're just now looking at the charts. Man, I got a limit, but it may not even get hit, man. It may not get hit. If it does, yo, what's up with this market, man? Are we going back into the Trump's second year in office where the market just went up and there was like little to no pullback? Is this is the market preparing for that?
It sure seemed like it. Yeah, I kind of agreed a little bit with gain weight earlier, in the stream.
Mm-hmm.
How it just seemed forced, like it didn't seem authentic. I kind of see what he was talking about with that
Yeah.
earlier. That just slow grind up, which I mean, it really hurt my feelings though, because I was calling that mess out like last night. All I wanted was 365. That mess exceeded expectations.
As it
So I
always
was hurt by
does.
that. I, I should have just left a one runner, just out of pure like F it. I should have left one runner.
I'm surprised you didn't.
I mean, I can't make these executive decisions when I'm at work and everything. These important decisions like that, and I'm distracted by work.
No, Santiago, he means that 25 Nasdaq 25K by open.
We gotta get to 24 first.
Damn 24. Let's skip 24 altogether and go to 5. Dude.
Hey, I'll take that pump. I would love that, as long as I'm in at the
Pause.
bottom.
Oh wow, pause. Whoa. Smith. Whoa.
Hey yo, we talking trading here.
Whoa.
I don't need none of that. Hey yo, that's for the little. That's for the little. I'm with Mace on this one.
Whoa. Yeah, yeah, Smith is back, man. Well, he needs to stay back.
I was gonna get in the bed and just watch the charts from the bed, but I'm like, you know what? All right, I guess I can hop on.
Yeah,
Be
man.
all tired ish.
I mean, if you're gonna be up anyway.
Yeah, but I'll be much more comfortable laying down watching this stuff.
Mhm. Yeah,
Hey, yo,
after I
you
s
supposed to you supposed to give me that financial juice plug.
I thought I did.
Nah,
I didn't do it?
uh,
Oh, okay, my bad.
nah.
My bad. I thought I did. I thought I did.
I tried looking it up on my own. I was like, what the, like, where the piss did you find this at?
It's on their website. Finally we're getting that drop in gold, bastards. God damn, gold. Well then, honestly, they might just buy it up at the lows anyway. I might buy it up at the lows and get my hopes all up. So if you go to the website, you go to Financial Juice. I mean, I'll send it to you, or it's like in a script, and then you ask ChatGPT or one of these things to put it in the script for you. Yeah, so you go to Financial Juice, and it's in the the bottom right hand corner. I don't know if you're looking at my stream, but you go to the
Hold
bottom.
on, let me ask you
Or
something.
what's up?
This is it's kind of off top. Have you looked at Bookmap at all anymore?
Off and on, yeah. Why?
I was
You
just
feel
like, man, I haven't looked at it in so long. It's like,
like you're not even part of the community anymore?
yeah, that's what it feel like. Like,
Yeah.
do I even need it? I mean, it's good info to just look at and have, but
Yeah, I mean, you're not the only. Oh, yeah, it's right here. I was like, dude, where the hell is it at? So we see where it says, if you go to Financial Juice, I guess it's on the far right tab or the far right bar. You'll see something called RSS. You click on
oh, I
that
got you.
tab, and then you ask ChatGPT to put this in a HTML script for you, and it updates automatically. I can see the script that I have. Actually, let me just do that now if I forget. I'll just do that now if I forget. News. I think this is
Hmm.
it right here. Yeah, this is it. Everything else, s- I just posted in the Discord. Or let me see if I can send you the file instead of doing all that. See if I can send you the file. I'm gonna send it to you in an
And
email.
like,
Let me send it to you in an email.
I no, that's not it. Don't want my webcam because my webcam is trash. The technical difficulties of coming back on stream. NVIDIA broadcast. That thing
I,
still be crashing the computer.
yeah, I don't even use that thing anymore, man. That just it's or it either works too
It's
good
too,
or it sucks.
yeah, it's too glitchy. It be crashing the computer.
Hmm.
Easy cam. Why is this
Yeah, where do I got this
working?
saved at?
No.
Yeah, I just want to have this thing in documents.
Connected.
Oh, NA meeting, live stream thumbnails. So NA meeting,
Should be on.
live stream thumbnails. All right. News ticker. Okay. All right. Yeah, I just sent it to you.
Uh, you said you sent it to my email?
Yeah.
Uh,
All right, go. I just need you to continue to do what you're doing right now. That's it. I need you to break that trend line. So, man, man, it would have been, oh man, I gotta, when it comes to trading the Nasdaq and gold at the same time, I have to make sure that my priorities are my I got to make sure that everything is straight. When I initially thought that the gold was going to break this trend line right here instead of paying attention to, I mean, I don't know why I did that. I know better than this. I know better than that. I took a short right here and lost. I know better than that. It didn't break the trend line, and you're supposed to short the second attempt, not the first attempt. Mm.
Let me see if NVIDIA will work. They probably got to update. I'm gonna try it, but
All right,
it
go.
might crash my whole computer.
Why do you need a video, or what are you using it for? I mean, you sound good. Honestly, I don't even think you need it.
For the camera, for the video.
For the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, just make sure that. Well, I guess just use it for the camera and don't um, activate the audio portion of it because it's going to use the resources unnecessarily. Well,
Hmm.
oh, just think about the good times. Think about the good times. I don't need you to retrace
No.
back to my break even. I just need you to hit my target.
All right, let's see. Come here.
Let me see this.
I hate this. Uh, 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 deactivate. Activate.
Oh shit! I just forgot. I see that. We could potentially see a bounce here, and I just don't. I just hope that it does. We could potentially see a bounce, probably at 39.
Do I gotta add this thing again? Why does this mess never work? Dang, man. Defaults. Vcam. Oh, actually. Wait, why is that not working? Because I just turned it on. So we should be good with that.
Now let one run like that. Let one run.
Now that, man, it's just so stupid. All right, if I put it on that, what will happen? Whatever, we won't use it then. I'll just stick with this. It's fine. Tech support.
All right.
Shoot. That's too funny. Windows 9. Nah, this mess. This program is just super. I think it's still in beta. I don't even think they released the final version of it. But that mess keeps that mess will crash programs, shut everything down. I'm surprised by NVIDIA releasing this product, this unrefined product. All right.
Well, Gold, I just don't need you to bounce at R3. I just need you to crash through that, get those buyers that's going to buy at VWAP and the 200 EMA, flush them guys out, and hit my target.
I don't even know why you're still dealing with gold, to be honest. Might as well get that
Whoa,
up.
whoa, whoa, whoa. The slander. The slander.
The truth. Truth social, baby. It's the truth. All right. So we had a high of 511. And
Well, guys, I know that this is a great place to go long on gold. I know, but unfortunately, it's in my way of my target. So I'm gonna need gold to actually crash through this level. But this is a good area to buy. I just needed to crash through it though.
or you could just take profit.
Wow. Wow.
You could
Wow.
be a responsible trader and take profit.
Wow. The blasphemy.
Don't
Wow.
say, hey, don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't say, I didn't give you the heads up to take your freaking profits. Because when it bounced back on you and goes all the way up to your break even, then you get negative, then what?
I'm a hold. Either hits my stop or it hits my target, man. I mean, it's no in between that. Anything other side of that is blasphemy. It's
Whatever.
absolute blasphemy.
Yep. Cave traders long. Investor Z said, good idea. So you
And versus Sherm, everybody's gonna find out, damn it. Everybody. We never should have traded against you, Sherm.
That's too funny.
I'm already short Santiago.
We never should have tried against you. Oh man.
I'm short at 444. So I'm already short in this. I just needed to break that trend line, but I mean honestly, man. I mean, this trend line and this low at 38 is going to probably be a problem. It's probably going to be a problem. I'm going to hold strong. Anti-Sherm signal.
I'm
Oh yeah,
trying to.
hey. Tell Smith that he needs to take out his profits and go back to trading $500 in his account.
Oh yeah.
Take out that 15 or 11, $1,500. Take out your profits. Because Smith was talking about he's going to take out his initial investment and trade his profits. And I was like, why would you do that? Take out your profits and continue to trade your initial investment.
Yeah, but you don't understand how
I
difficult it
understand.
is with
I know.
working with 500 and your margin. Nah, because with trading props, you don't get margin call like that. You either blow up or or it's either win or go home in there. But $500, right? The NQ, the MNQ is $100 per contract of margin. So with $500, even trading two contracts, that's $200 that is taken up of my $500 that I started with. And if I'm wrong, like, like, well, what was that Tuesday? What's today? Was I trading Monday with you or no? I can't remember. Anyway, the day when the news came out at 9 or 8:45, whatever it was, and we were trending up, and then it just dropped, and I was long near the top, and that mess said like negative 200. I ended up losing like $230 is the point, and I was like, dang. Started with yeah, that's half my account's gone, and I had to grind the whole day, and we made that back plus like $300, which was good, but still, it was so difficult to do.
Yeah.
So it's not, you make a mistake, yeah, You can't hold on to mistakes. You got to cut them fast.
Yeah. Yeah. I
And
mean,
the crazy thing is, I could have lost less money, but that I guess that mess was so volatile it froze my work computer.
God
remember, I
damn.
remember, I remember Alfred said his Tradeovate was frozen. I was trading through Trading View at work
Hmm,
online,
hmm.
and that mess froze. And I'm like, what the? So it said negative 73. So I opened the app and look. I'm like, no, it's not negative 73. I'm down $230. So I was like, damn. Now I could have folded. I could have beat myself up about that or whatever, but that was the day when we were short. We
Mm,
were short that day, but it was stressful. Stressful shorts.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. But
Yeah,
yeah,
like
I could have folded and beat myself up and like, oh man, I thought we were going long and da da da. Nope. I joined the gravy train.
mm. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah. I mean, I was a live trader. I mean, you don't being a live trader ain't free. They make you pay for them fees too. I gotta trade on the inferior product known as Tradeovate instead of the superior product, NinjaTrader 8. I don't know why all these live accounts want to be on Tradeovate like it's supposed to be the it's like all of them use Tradeovate for live accounts, and I don't understand why.
Because it's the GOAT. But
Hmm.
for my purposes, I got to use Trading View via my Tradeovate account.
Yeah.
But I don't mind it. Don't mind it at all.
Well,
And yeah, I've been debating that on how much I should take. I just don't
yeah.
know. I was thinking 1,000, but
I would take yeah, dude. I mean, I would take 1,000 or yeah, take 1,000. Just have so you can just have $1,000, $1,100 in the account. If $500 is too close, then like 700, $900 is probably a good starting point, and just paying yourself for all that stress because you all know the Nasdaq. You know you got to take your money out the account because the Nasdaq, if you don't, she will.
that's true. That's very true. Last time I got greedy, I told you that story offline, but
Hmm.
something had happened. I don't even remember fully. Something I think I took a L in a trade, and I was like, man, let me hop in gold real quick. My balance was still like 2,000, somewhere around there, maybe 2,400. Let me hop in this gold, make a quick like 500-600 bucks or whatever,
Woo!
and
Wow,
I got clapped. I got
bro,
clapped.
dude, go. You don't make a quick $500 or $600 in gold. That right there should have stopped you right there. A
No,
quick.
no, it wasn't. It wasn't mini. I mean, it wasn't micro. It was minis. So that's why I was like, okay, let me get this quick
I
five, six
mean,
hundred dollars in gold.
I mean, even if you're trading what 2 or 3 contracts, bro, it ain't gonna be quick. So I mean, dude, gold ain't quick. I'm only up 3 points. Dude, gold ain't quick. I
That's
mean, she quick
different.
to blow your account, but she ain't quick.
She is quick to blow your account, which is crazy.
Yeah.
Like, how come I'm not on the right side of it and you quick to give me these profits? Anyway, long story short, I foolishly hopped in gold. That's why I vowed to never even. I don't even know why I'm speaking about gold right now. It's
Because
blasphemy in itself.
you
No,
know that
no.
gold is a superior product,
I'll
even though
trade Bitcoin before gold.
hmm, that's interesting.
Silver before gold.
Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold.
Silver pays better.
Nasdaq. Shit, but man, I looked at a silver chart, man. I looked
And
at a
what
silver
do you think?
chart. Nah, hell no, I can't trade that shit. If I can't trade the ES, I definitely can't trade no damn silver. This shit is slow. You'll just die. Man, jumping off a cliff would probably feel better than trading gold when it's like slow like that.
Not jumping off a cliff. That's crazy.
Jumping off a cliff would feel a lot better than trading silver because that should be trading slow, man.
Shoot. I forgot to unmute you on my thing. I stay doing that. There we go. That's so funny.
Oh my god, man. Okay. All right, gold. You know, fine. As long as you don't hit my stop. I mean, you would have to travel 8 points to hit my stop. I mean, gold will probably do that shit, man.
Oh, she
she
will.
she traveled 4 points to give me hope, and then she'll travel 8 points just to stop me out. Hopefully, she doesn't do that. But I mean, I see it's bullish. I'm just hoping that this range holds right here, or at least that high at 47 holds. At least that holds. I mean, as long as that holds, then I'm good. 45. As long as 45 holds, because we need to break that trend line. The bears need to break that trend line.
I think since I missed the open and this move, this initial move, I don't think I'm gonna get anything tonight.
Yeah.
This is not looking because I wouldn't right now. I wouldn't long this or short this.
I mean, I got a limit
Now it
sitting at
could
520.
to what to go short.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, looking at it, it looks like it's just gonna slow grind trend, but I don't want to deal with that.
Yeah. You don't have to either. You definitely don't
Nah,
have to.
nah, yeah, I'm not going to. So I might have to just come back in the morning. Might have to trade at work. I mean, because we went up how many points yesterday?
We went up
Closed
about
out at
400 and something points yesterday, man. From top to bottom yesterday. I mean, shit, that was a wild one on the Nasdaq. 440. Like, guys, shit. I was telling Smith, yeah, we went up 400 points, almost 399 points. I was, because remember when I was like, there's no way that price is going to get to 445, and then that's exactly where it goes, like minus a tick. And I was like, yo, what the hell? The reason why I thought that was because that was last week's close, and I was like, "There's no way it's gonna go all the way to last week's close." And sure enough, yeah, the hell it did. Wow, should have
crazy.
had a, yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, man. These moves, I didn't really understand it. Do we have earnings or something this week from any big companies?
No, not really. I mean, the last company that, at least this week is AMD, but we know that AMD is
AMD is a little bro to Nvidia.
Wix 9, Alfred Wix 9. Ooh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. There we go.
Dude, on the fifth, it might have been on the fourth. I don't know. Yeah, was I traded Monday? I cannot remember. Oh, maybe I was. Hmm. Let me see.
Gold can be very straightforward to trade until it's not. And then that's when gold becomes very annoying. when price is obviously being manipulated by something. Okay. Yeah, yeah, thanks for that, Alfred. I'll check them out. I'll definitely check them out. Um, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, Nvidia. Yeah, we had AMD reporting after the bell on Tuesday. So we had Nvidia
Mm.
reporting on Tuesday. We had nothing after the bell tonight, which honestly, looking at today's earnings before the bell, after the bell, yeah, Duolingo is actually a publicly traded company. As crazy as that sounds, I didn't know Duolingo was publicly traded. I thought it was just an app that taught you how to speak whatever language that you're trying to learn and understand, even though it's basic as hell.
Yeah. Six Flags. Kratos. I know them. They're a defense contracting company. Yeah, Open, their earnings was a disappointment.
I bet. What happened, dude? Is it
I mean,
open door?
Open Door, yeah. I'm still holding them, but they're worthless by now.
Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately. Yeah, when it comes to I mean, that's why I had to move away from options because you're trading volatility, you're not trading price, and I'm still stuck on price when I'm trading, not the volatility, and that's what's going to increase the value of your options is the volatility. Price plays a part in that when it shoots up 20 million points in 10 seconds, but it's still volatility.
Yeah. Yep. Let me check out ES. Should I trade MES? I don't know if I should put myself through that torture.
Yeah, I've come to terms that I'm not going to trade the ES. I'm just going to trade the ES orb, and whatever happens, happens. I'm not going to think too hard about it. I'm not going to think too hard about it because I feel like the ES orb is easy money, even if you don't get like the full play. I mean, right here. I mean, if you got the breakout, yeah. I mean, she did kind of fake out here though, and then I mean, depending on how big your stop was, she stopped you. Excuse me, she stopped you out, and then she pulled all the way back at to the bottom of this, and I mean, but the thing is
Okay.
with the ES is that man, you're always trading heavy size with ES, so you kind of have to be perfect if you want to make money with ES. Have to be
Yeah, you
perfect.
do got to go heavier because ES on the live side is $50 per contract.
Hmm.
So have to do the math to figure out a good, you know, good sizing on it.
Yeah, if you're trading small with ES, it's almost not even worth it. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
It really isn't.
Yeah, that's what I meant. MES, $50, not regular ES. I wouldn't touch regular ES with this account.
Yeah, of course, because you would need to use your whole drawdown just to get.
And one contract uses up $500. Yeah. Nah. And if you're wrong, you're gonna get clapped.
Yeah, you're wrong. I mean, I tried doing the math with it, because I want at least a 10, 11 point stop. I mean, I could have it a smaller stop, but sometimes the ES just kind of does stuff where she just kind of chops, and you just don't want to get unnecessarily stopped out. So you just kind of want your stop underneath all the mess. And then there are those times where she does touch her stop, and it's like at least a $1,200 loss, depending on how big you're trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah. But I mean, the only thing about the ES is that on days where if you miss the move, I mean, you only get one opportunity to make money. I mean, she stays at the station for 10 years, but if you still miss the opportunity, well, you only get one. I don't know, man. I feel like by not trading the Nasdaq or not trading the ES, I'm leaving money on the table, but honestly, the Nasdaq is all you really need. And gold. Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold.
Nah, you had it
Nasdaq
right the first time.
and gold.
What's up with YM?
I mean, you got a live account. I feel like YM is a swing account. I really don't see how anybody can trade YM intraday. I really don't.
You don't think so?
No. I mean, if you're taking profits intraday, I feel like you're not fully trading the full potential of YM. It's a swing. It's literally a swing instrument.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. It's been kind of choppy. Um,
I hate
actually,
that it
yeah.
does that. I hate that it does
Does
that.
YM follow the orb? I haven't really. Let's see. Let's
And
see.
it's
8:30.
and it looks like the tick size is
Oh yeah, you on the right contract? Oh, there you
925.
go. That looks better.
I mean, this is a tick chart, but the previous chart was a minute chart. So, but yeah, so yeah, I mean, if you're in YM, it just goes in one direction. It pulls back and then it continues. So, I mean, why would you not swing YM?
Yeah.
Why would you not swing YM? I mean, the firm that should not be named. You don't profit. I mean,
You don't profit.
they knew better not to have me trade because I was going to trade YM because it was a swing account and I was going to swing. I mean, look at that. I mean, this is YM. All it does is just it trades literally in one direction. It does, I mean, it moves in one direction so much that it just it doesn't give you the full move in one session. It needs like 10 sessions. So you just get into a good spot and then you just ride it.
Zero payout. Yeah, that was messed up what they did. Cause I was vouching for them and everything.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I went on their page the other day and I see that business must not be doing so good because they had to drop the prices.
Oh, how about that? That's what they
Yeah,
get.
that's exactly what they get. I mean, they banned me for sharing my experience talking about I was they banned me saying that I was spreading misinformation. Motherfucker, y'all know what y'all did, bastards. The fuck?
What?
They was like, dude, they was banning everybody that said that they did, like, if you go to their disc, well, you may not be able to anymore, but I think Gangway got banned too. But they banned me. I was like, dude, I shared my experience and said, yeah, so this is what they did. They made a false, because I still had the swing accounts, and I think they just wanted to get rid of all of them. And they made up some lies saying that they couldn't charge my card, which was a lie. Because not only did they say that they couldn't charge it, dude, you canceled the account before it even rebuilt. So that's how I know you was fucking lying, bastards. And I shared my experience, and they banned me. It's fine. I won't do business with y'all guys anymore. But you see how now they got to keep these prices like this because now everybody knows that they're scamming.
Mm. Well, back in the day when they had the female CEO, they used to be good.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's no longer the case anymore.
It's
At
the telling
3.8,
sign. Yeah.
yeah.
When she left, yeah. 3.8 out of 5. You should go post a trust pilot review if you haven't already.
No, I didn't, but you can see that at 3.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and they deserve it. Honestly, this shit should be a 2. Really should be a 2. Yeah,
It's
because
funny.
3.8 is misleading. That shit is misleading as fuck. See,
Yeah.
like the zero accounts became a scam. They introduced the new rules without prior notice, and this is what a lot of people were talking about and got banned. Like, dude, like I mean, I can understand. Like they literally, so that they implemented rules and then they backdated these rules as if they had them always there, and they literally was closing people's accounts, yo. Crazy, dude. Talking about, oh yeah, he was over leveraged, even though there was no rule of being over leveraged, and then they was closing people's accounts left and right, denying payouts. It was crazy over there, man. I'm shit. This is why they got all these one hidden rules. This is a lot of hidden rules. All they say is thank you. All I have to say is thank you. Definitely not to this company, but to treaty. What the hell does that mean? I don't know what the hell that means. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is. Like, what the hell? What are you talking about?
That's funny. Yeah. Yeah, man. It looks like not gonna get anything out of NQ. What time is it? Oh
About 10
shoot.
o'clock.
Heck yeah. Yeah.
It's all right,
Yeah.
bro.
Well, I'm gonna have to go to bed.
I'm surprised you didn't go to bed sooner.
Like I
All
said, I
right,
was
bro.
on my way, but then I was like, all right, well, might as well hop on too, see if we could find anything. But nope.
Yeah, Santiago and YM. Yeah, the freedom accounts. That's what put them back in the conversation. Those freedom accounts. I mean, they're the ones that took away the consistency rule and all that other stuff off of those accounts. Nobody told them to do that. The way that they launched these accounts were perfect. The pricing, the rules, everything was perfect. It forced you to trade at least 4 or 5 days in the account. And then they came up with these accounts and said there's zero rules. And I guess it was just too easy for good traders. And you can swing accounts. You can swing your positions Monday. Well, the original ones, you can swing it indefinitely. And then they changed it with the new accounts, the updated accounts. It was only you had to close it before like Friday. And you can have a position open from Sunday to Friday. But then they took off the consistency. And I guess the CEO or the new person in charge was like, yeah, we're probably losing too much money. Let's actually take that off. Let's destroy those accounts entirely, and let's not pay people their payouts. And then they went back from they were literally in the top five, and then now they're back down to in the trash where they belong. In the trash, literally trash. Okay, I think this I should be getting this short. Well, I have no choice. I'm gonna let this short run overnight. I have no choice. I'm not gonna close it. So So if Top Step becomes the broker, hmm, if they become the broker,
I don't
does
trust that. Heck no.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would want that. And Top Step is too expensive. I'm not saying that their product isn't good. I'm just saying that their product is too expensive compared to their competitors. I mean, I don't buy brands, I buy products. And I think they're trying to say, well, you're buying a Top Step account. So we're going to charge you if I guess if you want the 50K, 150K, we're going to charge you 150 to start and we're going to charge you 150 to activate. I mean, they're the only ones that still has an activation fee, them and Apex. Everybody else has
Tilt
done
indicator.
away with it. You said what?
Tilt indicator.
Yeah, they can keep that damn tilt indicator.
Trash.
Yeah.
Trash.
But Top Step definitely has the biggest community for sure. People from other prop firms go to Top Step to communicate with other traders. It just seems like if you go to another prop firm's Discord, it's not as good as Top Steps. Obviously, Top Step has the biggest Discord community, or at least the most active. Everybody else's Discords are. Mm,
Didn't Apex get rid of theirs, or they still got it?
yeah, they got rid of it. And the thing is, it wasn't even their official Discord. It was just a Discord that they was using as their official one, but it wasn't the official.
Wow.
Mm. All right, bro. I know you're trying to get to bed, man. I'm gonna stay on for like the next 30 minutes.
Let me see. Yeah, I'm just not seeing any potential right now. I missed the pump.
Mi-
Basically had to get in from open.
Missing the gold short too. Could have gotten. And you see how long it took for a quick $400 or $500 on gold? I'm surprised you said that. What demon convinced you can make a quick $500-$600 on gold?
So you're in 10, right?
Yeah, so
Is
this
that
is only
micros?
400. This is micros. So right now I'm up 400. Now, if I was up at the top, I would be up 7. But
But
uh that took about a good yeah, that's not bad. But you're not going to make no quick. I mean, unless you kind of get in at an area of support and resistance, and then you can get paid really fast if you're catching a like a retest of a low or something like that. But
how much
outside of
how
that,
much would you how much would you be up if you were in minis?
if I was in 10 minis, I would be up
Well, not 10.
$4,800.
Do
If I was
the
in How many
do
minis were
the
you in?
I don't even remember.
Because I'm trying to think.
Whatever $2,000 could handle.
So you probably had, let's just devil's advocate, let's just say that you was in 3. If you was in 3, so if you had the same entry as me,
Could have
up
been. Yeah.
500, you would be up $1,500 right now.
And that's all I was looking for. He said, what demon possessed you? I don't know. Honestly, I think I can't even describe how to, because I was on a roll, I think, because I had made that within like from 500 to like 2,500 in like just 2 days, I think.
Mhm.
But that was trading in Q. Then I took a L and I think
Yeah.
I went into like revenge mode,
Mhm.
which
Yeah,
is a no go. But
definitely true.
I've gotten that out of my system now. I'm a changed man. We've had NA meetings after NA meetings, and I think I'm finally sober of that.
Just say, my name is Smith. Hey, Smith. It's been 10 days since I went tilt trading the Nasdaq. Thank you for sharing.
Hey, Smith. Oh yeah, been there too, man. It's been 10 days since I went to since I blown my last
Right.
account.
It's been 24 hours since I put on my last. Oh man, that's hilarious. Because it's so true. NQ, why are
But
you like that?
there's an extra sting when it's your actual money though to it.
Yeah, bro. That's I was like, man, hey, I'll stick to the prop firms. Moving forward, I'll just stick to the damn straight to funded because I mean they're basically the way you gotta trade them. You gotta trade them like it's a live account anyway. So I'll just pretend like they are, like I'm doing now. I mean, I'll just drop if I'm gonna drop $400 or $500 into an account. Like I said, the Tradeify account, and again, thank you, Cave Trader, because I didn't even look at their straight to funded account. So when they're doing a deal on it, I'm like, dude, $6,000 a drawdown, can't beat that. Can't beat the $6,000 a drawdown for, and if they're doing like a 50% off, that's like what $300, but they usually do the 35, and that's like $486. Which if I just do one account like that a month, or just keep those accounts, that's good. I might get another one if they do another 50% off, and just probably run that with the NQ. Or if they do like a 50, 45, I'll probably get another straight to funded and just run the NQ on that. I'm not doing any more evals. No more. I'm not doing it no more. I'm tired of the eval grind. Oh well. I kind of felt that he's gonna probably see some bulls step up at this damn trend line. So hopefully they don't. Come on, bulls. Man, let this shit go, bulls. Let it go. Let it go.
Let it go. I'm gonna stick to NQ how Hank sticks to propane and propane accessories.
Oh, you're watching the new season too?
Yeah, I finished it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I just started it. I'm glad that they did that for Bobby's character. I feel like that's who Bobby is.
Yeah. The boy ain't right.
It's still funny that that Joseph and Dale are just so oblivious. It's like it's just a white male.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Um,
hilarious, dude.
my wife was like, "You think they're gonna find?" I'm like, "Nah, that's the running joke. Like I don't think they gonna ruin the running joke."
Yeah.
Like, how does he not know? And then that's the other thing that he called out. Well, I don't know if you got that far, but Joseph called out somebody else's affair. He's like, it's so easy to see how these people are having affairs. I was like, what? But you can't see it with your mom.
Well, we can see our own. We can't see our own demons, but we can definitely see other people's
Yeah, that's
demons.
true. That's true.
I thought they was gonna. I thought they was going to kill what's his name? Not Dale, but what's the other one name? The one that was like in the bed. Bob.
Oh, Bill?
Bill. There you go. I thought I was gonna like kill him off.
Nah, you can't kill Bill off. He's too iconic.
I'm surprised, dude. I'm surprised Hank Hill even came back to America, dude. I'm surprised because honestly, I'm surprised he left. But
Yeah, no. Yeah. He needed that Saudi money though.
yeah, so I guess he's rich now. And they
Shoot. And
said,
then they offered him his job back plus 30%. Like,
eh,
hey, I don't know. You kind of had it made out there.
yeah, and then
He
he's talking
probably.
about a new wife.
This one, she won't talk. She'll be quiet as a mouse.
I was like, "Yo, this man is negotiating, yo." She won't talk. She's quiet as a mouse. Yeah, I was like, "Yo, he's really negotiating, yo."
When he said that, I was like, me and my wife was watching. I was, that's a great deal. I was like, yo, 30% and a new wife. Oh shoot. She won't talk. She'll be quiet as a mouse.
Oh, that was hilarious. Yeah, I think I'm only on, like, the 3rd or dude, I ain't gonna lie, man, watching Hank Hill does I think this is probably one of the few times in life that I'm watching a show and feel nostalgia. 'Cause I was like, "Yo,"
Mm,
I remember watching damn, King of the Hill, Adult Swim every night, going to sleep to it, watched it multiple times. I think King of the Hill is really a really great show.
yeah.
That and Futurama. Every other
Yeah.
show is just stupid, in my opinion. You can watch it once and then it's like there's no rewatch value, but King of the Hill is definitely great. My opinion, though. Rick and Morty fell off, though. I can't watch that. It's stupid now. I can't watch it.
Yeah. I can't remember which season I left off on Rick and Morty.
Yeah,
At one point, it's like it wasn't. I don't know. It wasn't funny anymore. I don't know. Like
yeah,
they were trying a little too hard or something. I don't know. Couldn't figure out. Something was off with it to me.
yeah. They, you know how when a product, when an IP starts to make money and it starts to get global recognition, other people want to step in and try to squeeze as much money out of it as possible, and obviously it just becomes a shell of itself. And I think that's what happened with the series. Uh, a series like that, because I mean they kind of done everything, and so when you do everything and you're still trying to run the show for as long as possible, I mean, what else could you do? I mean, Rick got his revenge. I mean, it's stupid now.
Yeah.
Mm,
I'm trying to fix my journal to reflect the proper numbers and everything. I could track
trade journal.
every, but yeah, the trade journal.
Mm.
But the numbers aren't right. Ports.
We just need a break of that low, that trend line low on gold. We just need that break, and we're good. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just wanna break even. I just wanna break even, baby.
Yo, I had that song on repeat at work. Like she came back.
Thank
Yes.
you. Is that
Listen.
you?
Oh
Come
man.
on. Run these
Looks
stocks, bro.
like I am 70% so far.
Congratulations on that, bro.
Yeah,
Shit.
70%. 77. It was that one losing trade that 230 that took me out. Messed up my stats, but
Honestly, I could never get into Beavis and Butthead. I tried. I, I tried. I don't know. Beavis and Butthead was just kind of. I guess I never got the point.
yeah, I didn't really watch too much Beavis and Butthead.
Honestly, you know what I probably should do? What I probably should do is actually instead of taking screenshots. So Smith kind of what so you got the Obsidian, or have you got Obsidian downloaded?
What is that?
Kind
Is that the
of like Notepad but with more features. And so
oh, that's what you're using for your journal?
yeah, and I'm just taking screenshots of my winners and stuff like that. Probably what I should start doing is actually instead of doing screenshots, I should actually have the video of the trade actually right here. So let me actually see if I can do that. Actually, let me actually do like a test run real quick. Let me do a test. Doing the video.
Oh, so you could add a little video clip in there. Yeah, that'd be nice. I mean, screenshots good too, because you look at your good entries on those.
Yeah, I think gold is about to hurt my feelings though. So let's see if I can just so I can kind of go back because I mean if I okay, so let me see if I can paste that into it.
Total loss 266. Total profit 1700. Gross P&L. So I've made $1,400
Okay.
this week so far. Micros. You got the video?
I
Oh, nice.
think so. I think so. It pasted it, but I don't know.
Oh, it's
It's not
just a
moving.
still. Yes, looks like it's just a
Yeah.
still.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good in this position. I think I just need to be more patient in it with it because they're knocking at that trend line's door, or maybe it was just gold because
Oh,
maybe it was just gold not moving. Because if that's the case, what I probably should start doing instead of taking the screenshots, I can just okay. So that's a good test right there. It moved, and I think that's probably what happened. I can just start the screenshot, record the trade as it's going, and then just rewatch it afterwards. All right, let me see. Oh, there we go, baby. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna start recording trades now, moving forward. Okay, we'll have
wait, it
the
worked?
yeah, it worked. Yeah, it worked.
I didn't see nothing moving.
Yeah, because gold
Oh.
ain't moving. Gold ain't moving. Stop moving. Yeah, it's not
Oh,
moving. So
okay.
all right. So moving forward, when we place a trade, uh, gonna record it first. Just we could just look at it. I can just kind of go back and look at the setup, and if I just have this database of these trade setups and stuff like that. Um, yeah, I like my entries on these, man. Mm,
Oh yeah, a lot of. I
like
mean, you
entry.
caught the bottoms, and yeah.
That's when people say, "Why are you fighting the Sherm? Why are you fighting the trend, Sherm?" Well, I'm trading the I'm trading areas where it could potentially bounce.
That was a great entry on ES.
Oh hell yeah, dude, man. I don't. I think shit. I caught. I think I was in 36 contracts on this one. I was in 36, and the Nasdaq or not the Nasdaq. The ES vindicated me with this target when she hit it. 150 something ticks, 40 points on the ES today from the bottom. Just imagine if I was heavy with that shit, man.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this crap figured out before I get off. Because it's not showing. It's not showing the right. So just delete that. Hold on, let me see if I do that. What would it?
Well, like I said, I'm not going to I'm not going to close out this position as I go to bed, but that trend line and that low, man, that's my only concern, man. This trend line and this low is in my way. That's it. But the way this thing is looking, the way that it uh it failed at the highs here on gold, I think I should be good. Mm,
Let me add. See if I could start over.
blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just wanna break even. I just wanna break even, baby. So at 8:48, all right, so the high of that candle was 239. 239.
You
The
saw
high.
what you saw what Trump said about the semiconductors.
No, what did he say?
Said he putting 100% tariffs on all chips
Damn.
if they don't if they don't start bringing their factory to the U.S.
So why did the market pump after that?
No, said companies will be exempt from the tariff if they made a commitment to build in the U.S.
173. I think what at the high was 339. 239. I think gold is just not gonna. She's not going to. I'm gonna have to wait for it. She's gonna make me wait for it, man. She's gonna make me wait for her. Okay. So this was the money tray right here. So at 9:01.
Yeah. Sorry that this market is all stagnant right now.
Yeah. All right, 239.
So can I, yeah, I don't want that in. I was wrong. Just one key. Boom. Doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
The high of that candle was 285 minus.
It's still off by like $30. What the heck? Let me see. I should be able to see the report, right? Yesterday. Or position history.
Cool. But ultimately, the Nasdaq, I mean, from the orb high, it's like 444, 444, and the orb high was at 239 minus 239. So 205. Okay, cool. All right, so we got that done. We're definitely getting volume back in the market. Don't let nobody make excuses saying that, oh man, this is due to low volume, man. The markets is trading crazy. No, we had decent volume today. There was over the session started at 346,000. At the 15-minute mark it had 451. And the last time I looked before I got off, we was trading over 1 million contracts. The volume is definitely back. We are definitely getting volume now. The initial
When
bright.
you talking about earlier today's session?
Yeah, I'm just talking about in general. The last couple of days we've been breaking retest. We've been trading with some volume. Break high. I know a lot of people has been saying, well, not a lot of people, but some people are saying that the market is trading with low volume, and that's no longer true. The data is telling us that that is no longer true because you can see. I mean, I've been capturing the data for a while, and now we're starting the session at 400. I think I forgot which day it was. We had over 700. I think that was probably Friday. Yeah, that was Friday. And starting from, but you can see how before at towards the end of July, we was only starting with 200,000 contracts and only about 60,000 more contracts were being added. These were the low volume days, and now we're starting to see some volume. So that's the great thing about capturing data because you don't have to rely on your feelings because we all know that our hearts are 9 times out of 10 wrong when it comes to matters of logic and reason. I mean, if you want to make friends or shit, yeah, your heart is great at that. But outside of that, nope, your heart will lie to you and it will hold on to outdated information that is no longer relevant. All right,
Okay.
man.
Yeah, uh, this is the data. It's not, I don't know why this mess doesn't I had it one time accurate.
Mhm.
Maybe I need to adjust but this is roughly the data. Um, it's off by like $30
Mhm. Are you still using
because they got
Tradezilla?
me. Yeah, it's canceled, but until until it runs out,
Mhm.
whenever next year, whenever it expires.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
yeah,
why I stopped using
2 hour
it.
trade. Yeah, they randomly hit me with that. I was like, dang, I didn't even realize it was this expensive. It must was like $300 something for,
Hell yeah, dude.
for a year. It's like, all right, you won't catch me again next year. No, sir. Yeah, this F me up right here.
Mhm.
$200. But yeah, I'm gonna be tracking it in here. And like I said, I didn't trade Monday. Um,
Mm.
started Tuesday. So I got us 2 days, man. 2 more days. We could finish out this week strong. 2 days. 2 days. Then I
Wait,
can
so is there a way to limit the amount of contracts you can trade in your account without you going in and changing it? I feel like
without me without me changing it. Uh Probably not. I don't think so.
this you're at your trigger point, Smith. As your trading partner, I've noticed this. Once you get into this you get into the 2000s, you can start playing around with the contracts. You start adding in instead of closing out. You know,
Shoot,
obviously you but
I'm about to go to E-minis. No.
you start holding and
I'm not.
hoping and DCAing instead of closing out because you can. It's easy to fall for that. I fall for it too. I still fall for stuff like that sometimes.
Yeah.
Just remember, it's
No,
your live
yeah, I
account,
know.
man. Stick to what got you to the dance, man.
You're right. You're right. I'm not gonna let that yeah, we're not letting that
That over leveraged devil from Chainsaw Man. Don't let the over leveraged devil convince you to over leverage. Oh no, it's the over leveraged devil.
yeah.
But
When was this 2.5 hour trade? I might have been in that from like pre-market, I think. I think that's what that was.
mm,
But yeah, it's about that time.
yeah,
Couldn't
I'm about to go to bed
couldn't
too.
catch nothing.
But all right, guys. At least that's it for me. We'll definitely come back tomorrow, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.
Yes, sir. Same to you guys. Appreciate y'all joining. Gonna end it here.